Air pollution, noise, lack of green space, odor pollution, contaminated soil, climate change, cardiovascular diseases, stress, sleep disorders, lack of concentration. How can we tackle common concerns by harnessing the power of communities and the expertise of scientists? To help you put citizen concerns at the heart of your project, we've organized the CitieS-Health Toolkit into a 4-phase process. Phase 1. Identification. Start from the perspective of citizens, identifying an issue that they care about and that they want to investigate. Phase 2. Co-design. Co-design the protocol and tools to collect data and the rules of collaboration. Phase 3. Deployment. Deploy the data collection, data analysis, and impact assessment together with your community. Phase 4. Action. Plan courses of action to promote dialogues, raise awareness about the issue, and build the legacy of your project. Remember, this is not a step-by-step recipe. Adaptations and variations are expected and encouraged. You are embarking on a collaborative journey to achieve public values. Check out the CitieS-Health Toolkit.